Hi guys, I'm going to do number 3 of the independent practice for graphing parabolas. The first thing we're going to recognize is that first this is in standard form and a equals 1/2. That means it's going to open up. Okay, now the axis of symmetry is x equals negative b over 2a. So that gives you x equals negative 2 over 2 times 1/2. So that's going to give you 2 over, right here we simplify, that gives you a 1. So x equals 2. Whoops, can't see that. X equals 2. That's our axis of symmetry. Let's go ahead and fill that out. Now the vertex, how do we get the vertex? It's a coordinate. We know the x value. It comes from the axis of symmetry. That's our x value. How do we know our y value? Well, we substitute it into the equation. So y equals 1/2 times 2 squared minus 2 times 2 minus 1. Y equals 1/2. 4 minus 4 minus 1. Y equals, simplify 1 and 2. So that's a 2 minus 4 minus 1. Y equals 2 minus 5. So y equals negative 3. So our y value is negative 3. Let's go ahead and plot that. 2, negative 3. This parabola opens up and our vertex is 2, negative 3. Let's go ahead and find the x-intercept. To find the x-intercept, we set y equal to 0. So you get 0 equals 1/2 x squared minus 2x minus 1. I'm going to use the quadratic formula. X equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1/2 times negative 1 over 2 times 1/2. So x equals 2 plus or minus square root of 4. We have a 4 over 1 simplifies negative 2 times negative 1. This right here simplifies as 1. So x equals 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 2 over 1. That's 2 plus or minus the square root of 6 over 1. Now I'm going to use my calculator to estimate that point. So 2 plus the square root of 6. That's going to be x equals 4.4. Let's do the negative counterpart. 2 minus square root of 6. That's going to give you negative 0.4. Negative 0.4. Those are our 2 points. So 4.4 comma 0 and negative 0.4 comma 0. So we have a 4.4 right here and a negative 4.4, which is somewhere here. And let's go ahead and make that parabola because we don't need anything else except for the vertex and 2 other points on either side of the parabola. We can use 4.4 comma 0 and negative 0.4 comma 0 as our 2 other points. X-intercept. We have to set x equal to 0. Let's see if I have any room to do that. So that means it's, well, in standard form, that'll cancel out. That'll cancel out because the zeros will take care of that. And y ends up becoming -1. So that point is 0, -1, 0, negative. Ooh, look at that. I hit it right there. I was lucky. Okay, and you could have used those 2 other points too as your other 2 points. You can draw more than 2 points. So that's 4, -1, whatever you want. Okay? And I think we're good. Okay? Good job, guys.